So welcome back dear students. Coming to question number 6 of exercise 7.1. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. Means we are to tell with the following points. We are in the first part, we are given 4 points. With these 4 points, which type of the quadrilateral, which special type of the quadrilateral is formed. If it is some special type of the quadrilateral is formed, then we are to name that. Means what are the special type of the quadrilateral, like square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, etc. If any special type of the quadrilateral is formed, then we are to write the name of that quadrilateral. See, let's discuss a few properties of special type of quadrilaterals. Like first, square. To prove any quadrilateral a square, we have to prove that all the sides are equal and both the diagonals are also equal. Any quadrilateral is a square if all the sides are equal and both the diagonals are also equal. Now, any quadrilateral is a rectangle if its opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Any quadrilateral is a rhombus if all the 4 sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. Any quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal, and if there is no relationship between the sides of any quadrilateral, then it is not any special type of quadrilateral. It is a simple quadrilateral, and you must be knowing the definition of a quadrilateral. Any 4-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. So now let's read the statement again. Name the special type of the quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points. We are given 3 parts. We are to check whether the given quadrilateral is any special type of the quadrilateral or not, and if it is any special type of the quadrilateral, what is its name. So let's do the first part of question number 6. See, we are given let's name the points as A, B, C, D. The point A is given as -1, -2. Point B is 1, 0. Point C is -1, 2. And point D is -3, 0. When you will write the points, you will again recheck. कहीं आपसे कोई गलती तो नहीं हो गई है. Statement, you will always double check the statement after writing. So let's draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral ABCD. If we are having a quadrilateral ABCD, in a rough we have what will be its sides. Its sides will be AB, BC, CD and D. So let's find out the value of AB. It is square root of 1 plus 1 माइनस और माइनस मिलके क्या हो गया +1 इट्स होल स्क्वायर +0 + 2 इट्स होल स्क्वायर. वट वी आर मेकिंग यूज ऑफ डिस्टेंस फार्मूला x2 minus x1. Why this becomes plus? Because this is -1, 0, this again becomes plus. So simplifying, it is 2 square plus 2 square, square root of 4 plus 4 is equal to √8. It can also be written as 2 √2. That's your wish. If you want to write, it's okay. Even then, if you do not want to write, it is okay up to here. Then let's find the value of BC. So it will be again x2 minus x1, -1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 0 its whole square, -2 square plus 2 square, again it is √8. Similarly, we get CD is also √8 and DA is also √8. So we find that all the sides are equal. Now to check whether it is a rhombus or square, we will find out its diagonals. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral of a 4-sided figure whose all the sides are equal, then it is a square. So let's find the value of AC. Its diagonal will be AC. -1 plus 1. माइनस और माइनस क्या हो गया? प्लस हो गया. +1 इट्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 2 plus 2 its whole square. So it is 0 square plus 4 square. Square root of 4 is equal to 16. So it is 4 units. Similarly, we find the value of BD. It is equal to -3 plus 1 -3 -1 its whole square plus 0 minus 0 its whole square minus 4 square plus 0 is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. So diagonals are also equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the sides are equal. Also diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Now for the second part you will do yourself, and I am doing the third part. It is, we are given that the points are, the point A is 4,5, point B is 7,6, point C is 4,3, and point D is 1,2. Again we will find AB, BC, CD, DA and the diagonals AC and BD. AB, it will be 7 minus 4 its whole square plus 6 minus 5 its whole square. So it is equal to 3 square plus 1 square. So it is 9 plus 1 is equal to root 10 its whole square. 4 minus 7 its whole square. So it is minus 3. Here it will be minus 3 plus 3 minus 6 its whole square. So it is again 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18. So simplifying CD, it comes out to be root 10 and DA is equal to root 18 units. Now let's find out. So we can say that its opposite sides are equal, root 10 units and root 18 units. Let's find the value of AC. AC will be 4 minus 4 its whole square plus 3 minus 5 its whole square. So 0 square plus root 4 is equal to 2 units. And similarly BD is equal to, when we simplify for BD, it is 1 minus 7 its whole square plus 2 minus 6 its whole square. 1 minus 7 will be 6. 36 plus 16 root 52. So opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. Opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. So the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Thank you.